Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to add social media icons to the footer on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you log it into your account. Now, from the left-hand menu, click on Online Store, then click on Themes. Next, click on the Customize button next to your current theme. Once the editor opens, look at the left side and click on Footer. Now, on the right side, click on Theme Settings. Here, you'll find a section where you can add links to your social media pages. For example, to add Facebook, open a new tab and go to the Facebook website. Then, go to your Facebook business page, copy the URL, and paste it into the Facebook field in Shopify. Then, click Select to upload any custom images or icons if your theme allows it. You can also enter a headline or short message to appear above the icons if you like. You can do the same for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and other platforms. Just copy each link and paste it into the correct box. After you're done, you'll see the social media icons appear in the footer of your store. Finally, click Save in the top right corner to apply the changes. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.